morning everyone. So I thought I'd do a little vlog today. It's getting closer and closer to Christmas. I can't believe how quick the time's going. Oh hello baby, I just thought it'd be nice to do a little vlog, a day in the life vlog today. Got my little man with me. Oh, I got a nice cuddle. Mum voice, so annoying isn't it? Where are you going?
Bye.
Pardon?
Bye.
No, not bye. Can you come back in please? Can you come in? Please? Yeah, we'll get the ball, but let's go and find the indoor ball. So today we don't have like loads planned. It's actually a nice quiet weekend, which you don't usually get many of in December, so it's been lovely. The boys have been watching a Christmas movie and I haven't had any breakfast yet, mainly because we're pretty much out of everything, and of course I gave them the last bits of cereal. Smallest violin just for me. I've cracked open the roses. I'm not going to lie, they're already open. Have not eaten that many. Does it get to this time of year for anyone else and you just literally like, well, it is Christmas, and just use that as an excuse for so many different things, like eating chocolate for breakfast? Do you have to do exercising at school? Do you have to do the Daily Mile? Do you have to do something called the Daily Mile? Golden Mile, and what's that?
Look at this.
Wow, look at all your Christmas cards, honey.
And they're all bundled up.
Yeah, you've bundled them all up. Yeah, but how many days a week do you do it? Every day, once a week?
Every day, but sometimes we like to lunch, so we just stay in class.
Oh, right.
But they're going to do exercise.
Okay, you do your exercise. Pretty sure they're doing this thing called the Daily Mile, but they call it the Golden Mile, and they run around and do a mile a day. But does anyone else find it so hard to get anything out of their, like, children at all, basically, but little ones especially? He's only 4, and I find it so hard to find out what he's done each day. He literally just says, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, and then I get little snippets of information. But yeah, it's like trying to get blood out of the stone, basically. Right, so I need to do a couple of jobs today. I think we're going to pop out a little bit later, but I need to get some stuff done around the house. The house is such a mess, honestly. It just doesn't stay tidy for any length of time. It drives me insane. I think I said on Instagram the other day, because someone said to me something like, how do you keep your house so tidy and work and look immaculate? Which I was like, thank you so much. But honestly, it's quite funny that people, or even just one person, thought that, because most of the time I don't even have makeup on. I'm just sitting with my hair scraped back, editing videos on my laptop, like in a dressing gown, or up at 12 o'clock at night crying because I haven't reached all my deadlines and I need to get stuff finished. What I usually find is when work's going well, the house really suffers, and then when the house is nice, I might be behind on work. It is so hard to find that balance, and I know everyone on social media, whether you do this as a job or you just do it for fun, we're all guilty of showing the best parts of our lives. Of course, because I see Instagram as a bit of a photo album, basically. And if you had like a physical photo album, you're not going to put like the rubbish photos in it, you're going to put the nice ones in it, so you can look back and remember everything. That's why I got Instagram in the first place, for memories. And now it's, you know, gone on a few more years and it's become a different kettle of fish, and it's just, everything in the world of social media has just changed so much. But without rambling too much, what I'm trying to say is there's no beds made in this house. This house is a mess, and I do not have my SIHT, exactly. I do not have my SIHT. I don't have my SHIT together, ever, really. Just know that social media often highlights the best bits of people's lives and leaves out like the really crappy bits, or just the everyday boring bits. But we all have them, and just because somebody puts up pretty pictures on Instagram doesn't mean that they have the perfect life. Far from it. So I don't know why I just went off on that tangent or that rant, but I thought it was worth saying, because a few people have said it to me lately. So Anyway, I'm in Archie's bedroom. I've just sat myself on the floor. What I really need to do is sort out their toys because it's getting closer and closer to Christmas. Obviously, you guys may have seen what we've got the boys for Christmas. Obviously, I'm whispering because, you know, the elves make it. Santa brings it in his sleigh. Nothing to do with us. But they've got lots of lovely things, and then they've got lovely things from their grandparents, their great-grandparents, and I just know this house is going to be full of new toys on Christmas Day. So I'm starting in Archie's room. I'd hoped that he wouldn't come and find me because he tries to just give all of his toys to charity whenever we do it. Like, even his favourite ones, he just puts in the bag. He's come and found me, so he's going to help me, aren't you? Yeah?
Let's do this one first.
Yeah, but see, you don't want to give that away, do you? Because that's one of your favourites.
Oh.
Yeah, not your favourite toys that you love to play with. The ones that maybe are a bit young for you, so they could go to younger boys and girls. Or ones that you don't play with anymore.
Yeah.
And someone else could really like.
Yeah.
Shall we have a look then?
So, but not Paw Patrol.
Not Paw Patrol then, no.
And not Toy Story.
No.
And not Superhero.
Yeah, because these are all your favourites, aren't they?
But not Superhero.
No, that's fine.
Not Power Rangers.
No.
And
there might not be much under here that you want to get rid of because these are all your best toys, aren't they, that you keep in your bedroom now?
Yeah.
Might be more ones downstairs, but I thought it'd be good to just clear it out anyway.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby.
I've nearly finished his room now, but the boys needed a little lunch break, so... Have a seat, my lady. Who do you think you are? Oliver Twist? Artful Dodger?
have a seat, my lady.
Have a seat, where have you got that from?
For my plane.
So I do still have a fair bit to sort out, I'm not going to lie. Some of this is for Elliot, some of it's broken, needs to go in the bin, some of it's going to charity shop. I've got some bags here. And then just some, like, you know, little piles that I need to sort out. So this is what this end of his room's looking like. I didn't actually plan to do all of his shelves, but when you get started, sometimes you just want to finish the job, basically. So I made all of his beds looking a lot better. I've done all of underneath it. My camera battery died in the middle of it, so I didn't film it all, but I wanted to show you, like, the finished results. So he's still got loads of toys, but these are all the ones that he can keep for years. They're all these superheroes, Ninja Turtles, you know, Paw Patrol, everything in there. So they're all his, like, big grown-up boy toys that he loves. So they're a bit more organised now. In these side ones are actually so good because they store all of his, like, play action houses, you know, like Batman and Power Rangers and stuff. So they're really good because they're really tall cupboards. This side is looking really good now, so we've managed to clear a whole section out, so that's made me feel a lot better. And he's got this lovely wooden fire engine from Jojo Mum and Baby. It is actually kind of breaking now, to be honest. He's had it for so long, but he doesn't want to part with it, so I didn't want to make him, so he's got that in there as well. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. And then if I just quickly show you, I sorted out all of his shelves. So the ones above his head, he's got his dinosaurs, his letter A's, his globe. And on this side, I thought it would be nice to put all the books on this side because they were kind of like merging all over the place. So he can see them from his bed. So he's got all his books, he's got so many, and he shares some of these with Elliot as well. He's got a little wooden car as well, and he's got like his phonics and spelling things there, and then he's just got more stuff up there. He wanted his Toy Story stuff put up there, which kind of upsets me a bit because it's like when Woody's put on the top shelf and I don't want him to be sad. But actually, it's better than them being shoved at the bottom of the boxes under his bed. So he's got a little display. I don't know where Jessie's gone. Jessie's somewhere. I'm really pleased that's done. I need to do Elliot's, but he doesn't have nearly as many toys because obviously he's a lot younger. So yeah, we have had quite a slow day, but we're going to pop over to Blue Water now. I know it probably seems like we're always going to Blue Water every day because they're the days I usually vlog for some weird reason, but we're popping over there to go back to the giving tree. I've mentioned it a few times before, but basically we're working with Duracell over Christmas, and they very, very kindly sent the boys some toys that are battery powered, which are so, so lovely. They're really nice gifts. But as you've probably seen over the last month or so, I've done my what I got them for Christmas video, and you know, as you've seen today, Archie has so many toys. We thought it would actually be nicer to go and give those to children that don't have a lot at Christmas. And also I've got a lot of like beauty PR gifts and stuff that I've been very, very kindly sent, but obviously I'm only one person. My family and friends often like have a look at them and take stuff home and that, but I have some really lovely ones that are just going to go to waste. So again, the older children and like the teenagers, the girls will really like them. So I thought it would just be nice to do that, as well as we're going to go over there, go to the entertainer and go and buy some gifts as well. I'm also going to put a pack of the Duracell Ultra Power batteries on the top of all the battery powered gifts. I'm just going to sellotape them on, because there is nothing worse as a kid than receiving a toy and it's saying batteries not included and you don't have the batteries. It's a bit heartbreaking really, especially on Christmas morning when you open that present and you're so excited to use it and you actually can't. So I thought it'd be a really nice thing to do that. I've also stocked up on loads of Duracell batteries, because at this time of year we get through them like nobody's business. I mean, obviously we need them for lots of different toys the boys are going to get for Christmas morning, so we've got a big stash of them. And also lights. Literally, we have so many fairy lights, light up ornaments and decorations around the house that are battery powered, and that's why I would always recommend the Duracell Ultra Power ones, because they last 10 times longer than your like sort of normal average zinc batteries. So especially great, of course, for the kids, because their toys are going to be powered and work for so much longer, so they can get a lot more enjoyment out of them. But also your Christmas decorations, you don't constantly have to replace the batteries, because it's dark all the time here. So I tend to keep the like fairy lights and the ornaments on most of the day, which drains like batteries pretty quickly. So these are the perfect ones to use. They're great value for money when you think how long they last. So yeah, we're gonna pop out now, go and give some stuff to the giving tree. Archie's really excited, and then we'll be back here for a cozy Christmas evening. Also, I really hope this isn't coming across like I'm like, oh, look at me giving some stuff to charity, I'm such a nice person, because obviously we were given these toys and we're just kind of like passing them on to children that maybe need them more. And yeah, I wouldn't want to come across that way, but I just thought I would use my platform to maybe just mention that there are places like the Giving Tree. If you live in Kent or you're visiting Bluewater over Christmas, I know that's open till the 23rd of December, but there are places all up and down the country where you could gift presents, if you can afford to do so, to children that need them. So I completely forget every time that the entertainer is shut on a Sunday, so we'll come into Boots, and I think I'm just going to get some 3 for 2 gifts. Like they do misguided stuff, so I thought some of the teenage girls would like those, and then go and see what they've got for kids as well. Archie's picking out some children's presents now, aren't you, Arch?
Is this what you want to get? Or should we get something different other than that? Or do you reckon someone might like that? Should we get this one for the other little boys and girls?
So we're back from Bluewater now. It's getting a bit later, it's about 5 o'clock, and it's also dark, which it feels like it's dark all the time at the moment. This little guy, what have you been asking to play with all day?
This.
What?
This.
What is it called?
Sprinkle sticks.
Sprinkle sticks. I don't know if anyone remembers some of our vlogs last Christmas. I think he wanted for Christmas last year the most was sprinkle sticks, and I don't think we've actually had this out probably nearly a year, to be honest. He played for it a few times as they do. But he wanted to get it out. I'm so glad I washed all the pieces so well. Basically all it is breadsticks covered in chocolate and sprinkles. It's very strange. And I know this probably sounds like I'm just saying this because of being sponsored by Duracell, but I need to change the batteries. Literally all I've done this month is say, where are the batteries, where are the batteries, where are the batteries? Look, it's completely run out. So I'm just going to change the batteries. So we've got chocolate in here, melted chocolate, and then I think we get a breadstick, don't we, and dip it in. I think you're ready now. I'll hold it, you press the button. Wow! Wow, it's really going for it. Look at that! Are you going to try it, or are you going to put it back for it to set in your little holder? You're going to eat it. What do you think? Is it nice? I think it's quite a good little Christmas present idea. I mean, it's not like he gets it out and uses it all the time, but it's quite a fun little thing to do, like a little activity to do with them. Bath and bedtime.
Wow, this is so cool.
What's so cool?
This is what you just done.
What I did to your room?
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank
like
you.
it? Yeah, you're welcome, darling. It looks nice over here now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Got all the
How
dinos
did you
out.
do that?
Oh well, I just organised all the books like you've got your own library. Elliot, do you sound like a dinosaur? What noise does a dinosaur make? That's so good. Night night, handsome. I love you. Night night.
He's in the toy box. Silly Dexter. Playtime is over. Okay, everyone, back to the classroom.
I love you. Rick's not been in the vlog all day because he's got man flu.
I've got bad flu.
Night then.
No.
Please don't pass it on to the rest of us.
Oh, that's what I'm hoping not to do before Christmas.
Yeah, and a hill.
As you literally breathe on Archie. I love you.
Love you.
Night night, boys.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
So I think that is all three of my boys asleep. Probably won't hear from them for the rest of the evening now. Bless him, Rick's actually quite ill. So hopefully we're not all about to get the lurgy before Christmas, but I've come downstairs to do some work on my laptop. I was going to film the rest of my evening because I'm not actually sure how much I've vlogged today. Once I edit it all down, I'm worried that there's not going to be a lot there. But then I realised all my evening is sitting on my laptop editing, so it's not really going to be that interesting. So I think I'll say goodbye to you guys now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it then please leave me a little comment. Let me know what you've been up to today, if you've done anything Christmassy or nice. I'd love to hear about your days as well as just rambling on about mine all the time. Yeah, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye guys.